In this video, I'll show you how to fix the call failed error on iPhone after an update step by step. First, make sure airplane mode is turned off. Open settings and confirm that airplane mode is disabled. Now check your carrier signal. If there is no signal, try turning airplane mode on for a few seconds and then turn it off again. Next, restart your iPhone. Turn the device off and then turn it back on. Now check for a carrier settings update. Go to Settings, then General, and tap About. If a carrier update appears, confirm to install it. Also check if your iPhone is fully updated. Go to Settings, then General, and tap Software Update. If an update is available, install it. Another option is to reset network settings. Go to Settings,